Once again, the fair walk of Prince and Princess of Yuletide 2023. We have Prince Ramsey C. Solitana and Princess Isabel V. Palmer.
Good evening, everyone. I am truly honored to be here tonight as one of your reigning princes, as I be able to walk again in this path where I got my first and second crown as a prince. That was my unforgettable moment in my life when I was here studying in this school. Not just because I'm crowned as a prince, but also I got an ampao from our dearest Sir Jojo Lozano that has a lot of money. Thank you, sir. Tonight, let's celebrate not just the crowning moment of our new prince and princesses, but also to give a special thanks to our beloved teachers and parents for their unwavering support to make this event possible. Now, it's time to turn over my crown to our next prince. Tonight, let's make this night a night to remember. I, Ramsey Solitana, your reigning prince.
Right, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our reigning prince and princess of Yuletide 2023.
Sa gikan sa konseyo sa barangay and our mga candidates ato ang mga kabataan diri sa ato ang Pasel Elementary School, ato ang mga ginikanan, mga bisita. Ginikanan gyud among Ilogon. Kani inyong gibuhat, anya kami po diri sa isip barangay officials, nga kami full support together with our SK officials and barangay officials. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nakalitan na kami. Salamat.
Princess of Yuletide 2023 to join on stage. We have Prince Ramsey Solitana and Prince Isabel V. Calva. And to have the coronation, I request our dear teacher in charge of Pasel Elementary School, Mr. Pedrito S. Portalio, and requesting as well a representative from the Department of Education, Division of Cebu Province, the principal of Willie B. Wenceslao Memorial National High School, Cassius Cesar Z. Odensia. And requesting as well our representative from the Barangay Council of Pasel, representing Pulong Barangay Honorable Ramonito J. Lilihan. I have our dear councilor Honorable Marcelo Mirale Jr. for the coronation of the Prince and Princess of Hearts 2025. And now may I request our Prince and Princess of Hearts 2025, Jack Anthony and Rayanne A. Serencio for the coronation of the Prince and Princess of Hearts 2025. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all witness the coronation of our Prince and Princess of Hearts 2025. We have Jack Anthony S. Green and Rayanne A. Serencio from our reigning Prince and Princess of Yuletide 2023. Let's have first the coronation, the crowns from the Prince and Princess of 2023. Then later on we'll have the scepter and the donning of cape. Let's have first the coronation. Okay lang, no problem. Okay, let's also have the donning of the scepter. Donning of cape, rather. So let's have the donning of cape from our Prince of Yuletide 2023 to our Prince of Hearts 2025. And also our donning of cape from our Princess of Yuletide 2023 to our Princess of Hearts 2025. The coronation of our Prince and Princess of Hearts 2025. We have our Prince of Hearts 2025, Mr. Jack Anthony S. Green. And our Princess of Hearts 2025, we have Res Ann A. Serrancio. Alright, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will be serenaded by Miss Catherine K.T. Borburan and Mr. Pedrito S. Portalio. Let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.